fire truck ladder broken.
Hurry! I must put out the fire fast. I have to stop it before it gets bigger. Help me! TinkerBot, please look at me.
Oh no, what happened to you? I can fix you. Can you come to the repair room now?
Yes, thank you.
First, I'll change your ladder. Let's remove the screws. All of them need to be replaced. Done. Next, I'll fix the hole in your water hose.
Okay.
Your water spray head also needs to be changed. No, it's rusty and stuck. Let's spray some oil. All done. Oh no, you have too many scratches. Let me fix them for you.
好的。
Great! Now let's fix these dents. It's time to paint. All right, all repairs are finished. Now let's start washing. First, rinse with clean water. Add bubbles. Rinse the bubbles away. Dry with the electric fan. Finally, wax and polish.
Wow, so cool! Thank you so much, TinkerBot.
You're welcome. I'm happy to help.
I can put out any big fire now. Thank you. It's a fire rescue signal. I have to go. Bye.
Goodbye. Stay safe.
Rescue mission complete.
Oh.